Everyone knows the Bitcoin's going to make you rich, even XRP lawyers. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is DaVinci Jeremy. You know how I do. 5x5 here in Dubai. I hope you're doing well wherever you are. We're going to be talking about, Bitcoin and Ethereum. They've made some astounding new highs over the weekend, and we're going to be talking about that. How it's moving up, just like predicted, just like I said it would. Yes, I know I was getting a little bit more bearish near the end there, but remember, the lowest I ever went was like 55% to the upside and 45 to the downside on the moon show. Yes, I really felt that the technical showed us a little bit of a scary situation, but the fundamentals were a lot stronger. And we're going to be talking about that and more in today's episode. All right. So if you're interested, we're going to be going over the trades, what to do. If you missed this trade, I pointed out how to trade this pump earlier last week. If you followed that video and you didn't take the trade, there will be another trade. We will show you that next trade in today's video. And if you're interested in making that trade, you can always head over to bybit.davincij15.com, okx.davincij15.com, and if you don't want some to deal with, the KYC, you can head over to 2bit.davincij15.com. Links are in the description below. Okay, I own 10x more Bitcoin than XRP. It says pro XRP lawyer. Interesting. In a recent social media revelation, John, a lead crypto lawyer and the legal representative of XRP holders, disclosed a striking contrast in his portfolio. Though a series of candid posts, Delton emphasized that despite his dominant role in Ripple's legal battle against the SEC, BTC holds a staggering 10 times more value in his investment portfolio than XRP. Because he knows just as well as I do, most people are dumb and they will buy XRP. That's why he has some. So you hope you don't hate it, don't date it, just trade it. Because, hey, it's still going to go up. Just not the future of money. Right? And so people will, jump into XRP because they can buy it cheaply, because they don't understand that this is a vote against your own sovereignty of money. If you buy XRP, you are voting for another Federal Reserve. And you can vote with your money. Go right ahead. Right? Vote for your own slavery. No problem, right? And that's it's your choice. You have the freedom to choose how you're going to be enslaved. I've warned you. I've told you. You can decide for yourself. That's it. Right? And now this guy's telling you, right? He already knows. He knows. He knows what time it is. He works there. Oh my gosh. All right. With that said, tomorrow I'm going to be talking about this debt clock. There's important information that's happening in this debt clock that I want you to see. And I'm going to talk about that tomorrow. So make sure you stay tuned for tomorrow's episodes, because it's going to be an interesting one. All right. Let's head over to Bitcoin over the long-term chart. You can see, as I've said, one of the technical points was that if you look left, whenever a market breaks out, if you see a whole bunch of red candles in this particular time frame, well, that hey, you know what? It's going to recover from all those red candles, right? Eventually. So there it is. And if you take a look at it on the weekly, there is a lot of weekly red candles. So we're going to recover from all those red candles all the way up to 48K is the target according to TA. Now, that's the only one reason why we're going to go higher. It's not enough to make a trade in the shorter term, meaning that looking at the the dailies, the 4 hours, and so forth. But it is enough to trade on the longer term. So if you do like a 3x or 5x and you just hold and keep buying whenever there's a pullback, that's fine, with a stop loss of like 2 to 5%, right, of your total portfolio. So that's different kind of trading than a shorter term trading. So we're going to go over to the short term now. So that's different than the long term. So what are we going to see here? As you can see, yes, Bitcoin has pumped higher. Now, I told you guys that once we finally break above this 38.5-ish area, that we were going higher. We're going to go to at least the 41, 42-ish area. So that's where we're taking off to. The target is approximately the 41.5 area. We still haven't reached that target. We should do that probably today, if not today, tomorrow, on a rapid ascent. So we need to go down to the lower time frames if you want to get in on any kind of particular trade. Let's just see what the lower time frames are saying. Of course, it will be a short term trade, not a long term. Right now, yeah, we could end up hitting the 41.5 and then backing off very quickly. I wouldn't get into a trade here. We have to wait for this time frame, the 15-minute time frame, to consolidate, to show us, hey, what is Bitcoin want to do? What will it create some sort of candlestick pattern to indicate an entry? And I would say if you're going to enter at all, you'd enter after a break of this lower area. Look for some sort of entry target around the $40,500 mark is what you're looking for. That is a clear indication that, hey, you know what, maybe we can. This is going to be a reversal area. You can see there's a lot of this was a support area, the resistance area that has now broken and now became support. And if we just nick through it, then you can probably hit the buy button with a 2 or 3% loss on your portfolio, and take it all the way to 41.5. So that's $1,000 move. Now it could go a little bit more higher. Could go to the $42,000 mark. Okay, looking at Ethereum to close out the day. Again, I told you this was the entry. We got in nicely, and boom. You could take this all the way, not just to this particular target, but you can move your stops to break even, because this had a lot more to go. You can see that we can go as high as the 2300-ish area, and it looks like Ethereum is on its way to that level. Now, if you want to trade it on because you've missed a trade, again, you're probably going to have to wait for it to consolidate. There is no real entry here. You've missed out. This return was an entry, but it would have been difficult because we retested another breakout level right here. You can see right there, right? We were on the way to retest it, but the EMAs actually held the line for this thing, and it just went higher and higher. So I would suggest you wait for an EMA breakthrough here. Once we break into this EMA ribbon, as we've you can see that when that happens, right, that's where you're interested in buying, especially in the lower time frames. If we haven't hit the target, if we haven't gotten up to this trend line, actually, let's just say 2250, you can probably get in if we break below the EMA ribbon, or break into this EMA ribbon, which is around the 20. Let's just say we got the 2200 even area. Just below that, you can probably get a buy entry that'll take you all the way to 2265 or higher. All right. With that said, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. I hope you're looking forward for tomorrow's episode. We'll be talking about the dead clock and what that actually means. And I can tell you, we are near the beginning of the end of the dollar. The bells are ringing, and even gold, right, is singing like a canary in the coal mine. All right. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.